Okay, this video is going to show how to do daily maintenance on the Mimaki. As you can see, there is a print that was just finished on this machine. So right off the bat, we're just going to show how to cut that off. Anytime you see this as remote, that's local. That means remote means it's being controlled by the computer. So we want to make that local. That means the keypad will now control it. This button right here is the cut. Just wait for those numbers to go down to 0, and then you just hit cut, enter. You do want to make sure that you're ready to catch it, because there's nothing to prevent it from hitting the floor once it cuts. Basically everything with this machine takes a little bit of time, so you do have to be patient. Alright, now that we have that done, we're going to pretend that it's first thing in the morning and we're doing the daily maintenance. First thing, you want to see these little clips on the side. Because our vinyl has quite a bit of adhesive, a lot of times it leaks out the sides and makes these stick, which we don't want to happen, because then the vinyl won't feed through the machine properly. So typically I'm going to spray a little bit of that on there. Move these back and forth to loosen any adhesive that may be on there. Wipe away the excess. The other thing that you want to keep in mind, you can see this little hash right there. And likewise another one over here. You want the vinyl relatively balanced with equal spacing on both sides. If you do need to change that, you can use this. If you pull this up, you can just move this around freely. Back down. Normally, first thing in the morning, because this is heating up, you're going to see a little bit of a bubble here in the vinyl. So you can use this button. Okay, sorry about that. So if we want to move it down, you can make it feed until it's nice and flat all the way across. Now you're just going to hit enter. Now it has to read how wide the vinyl is. So basically you're just hitting this button, because it is a roll of vinyl. You'll see the laser is going to come over and read the edge, then come over here and read the other edge, and that will tell the machine how wide it is. Okay, number for use is the pinch rollers. These are the pinch rollers. You want to make sure that you don't get your hand hit by that thing. Also, the pinch rollers, typically you want them close to these. So we've got 6 of them across, holding the vinyl down. We're going to use all 6 of them. So you just hit enter. Okay, now we want to clean the heads and then do a test print. So hit function 2. Going to use that to move down to cleaning. Going to use that button to go over. Most days you just need a soft clean. Unless you've been printing non-stop the day before, usually a soft clean is just fine. That'll go through the process. Once that's done, we'll pick up at the next step. Okay, now that we've gone through the cleaning process, just going to move up to test print, click over. You want to go scan direct, so you're just going to hit over again. Okay, sorry about that. We have this much vinyl hanging off the machine, so we don't want to print the test print that far up because it's wasteful. So we're going to move that vinyl back up first. Get it to about there. Hit enter. That'll set the new origin. And now we're going to do our test print. Function 2, test print over, scan direct over, and then that will go ahead and do the print. Okay, now you can see there are a few misses on the magenta, so normally I would go through and do another cleaning, but that does show you the process, so that's all there is to it. Then we're going to cut this off, back. This button sets up the cut. And that's it.